Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and we've got one new sticker. I just made the video. Laser sent in his from Advanced Level Diagnostics. Go check out his channel. Dude posts a lot of videos. Bunch of diag stuff. I'm jelly. I need to make time to start doing that again, and I will be. But Monday nights, from January 6th onward, we're going to be doing classes, 1-hour classes, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you have the $25 a month online training access subscription to our website, then you will have access to those classes. Just by having the subscription, you can be there. So $25 a month, you're going to get, I'm going to make a commitment to do my best to have at least 2 Mondays a month. I'm going to try to do every single Monday. We're going to do a 1-hour class. Right now we're doing, so January 6th will be part 1 of the Diagnostics Beyond the Silver Bullet class. It's kind of our diagnostic process, how we do everything here at L1. And essentially, if you're going to do any training with us and you're going to do any of the stuff that we do, diagnostics, programming, any of that stuff, that's the class you got to have. It's a prerequisite. Also, what's going on in the shop right now? So we've got mother-in-law's Mustang is back. I know you guys see it like every time it's in a video. It's really not here that often, but it is here quite a bit. This is her daily driver 66 Mustang. Right now, engine's out of it. It's got a bunch of oil leaks that we were fixing that never really got addressed. That's the only thing we really didn't touch on this car is the engine. When we got it, we just did upgrades to 4-wheel disc brakes, all new hydraulics, all new steering system. We actually just converted the steering system to the Borgeson unit, the one that's just got just a gearbox, got rid of the hydraulic ram system. It started giving us troubles after about a year of her driving it. Had a ton of trans leaks from the day she bought it, so it's off over at our buddy Charles over at Aspen Transmissions. He's taking care of that for us. It's an old green dot shift trans, like a pre-C4-ish kind of C4. And then we did like oil pan gasket, and the rest of the gaskets didn't get replaced. We really just did like valve cover gaskets, then put a EFI system on it because it's a daily driver. So she wanted power steering, AC, fuel injected, 4-wheel disc brake, daily driver 66 Mustang. So that's what she got. And so that's kind of what we're working on now. That's what's going on there. We've still got the tug. We're waiting on some more parts from the UK. Got it running finally. Had a bunch of problems. A ton of oil leaks also. And this thing sets over at a private airliner repair facility where they repair like multi-million-dollar jets. So when this thing's leaking oil, you don't want to have a multi-million-dollar jet walk into the hangar and see an oil leak on the floor and wonder, is that from my jet? So the guys over at the place, I won't say their name, sent the tug over to us. It's got a 1979 4.236 Perkins engine, diesel engine. We had to fix a bunch of wiring, fix a bunch of leaks. We had the engine completely out of that thing, had to put a flywheel on it because the ring gear was trashed, because it had the incorrect starter on it. Then we got a replacement starter, and it came in damaged, and it comes from the United Kingdom, so we have to wait for another one, so we're waiting a little bit. That's Transit 2. That's getting some workup stuff. This is new NV2. This is a new NV I'm building out right now. Just kind of in the middle of doing stuff. I made a mistake. I got a smoking hot deal on this thing, but it came with no power steering, no power windows, no power locks, so I had to fix that. So I got power lock mechanisms, OE power lock mechanisms for one of these NVs, and then I bought an aftermarket power window kit. It's kind of junky, but we'll just see how it works, and I'll put a good system in it if this one fails on me. We got a parasitic draw on this 17 Suburban. Ended up being a latch issue at the back, I think, that Zach just got done dealing with. Yeah, the hatch is hanging. There's the lock. Who knows, right? And then keep an eye out. I got a video coming out in a couple days using the Triton key machine. So you guys saw my keyline videos. I love the Gymkhana. Awesome. I also picked up a Triton because we're going to be replacing our Dolphins that are in our vans. So got a video coming out on cutting the key on the Dolphin and then programming it with the Auto ProPad G3. I love that tool. The G3 is awesome. I love all the Auto ProPad stuff. And then we started organizing all the scan tools. So something that helps around the shop. Now, remember, I've got mobile vans and guys in the shop. So if a tool is out, like let's say that someone needs to use the Genesis tablet, right? And the Genesis dongle. So it's the factory Genesis tool, factory Hyundai tool, factory Kia tool. So let's say Zach, because in Tulsa we don't have, I keep a load out of basic domestic Asian stuff in the van. In Oklahoma City I got to have different tools because he can't be coming up here all the time, like same with Arkansas. So if Kreider has got to take the tool, Kreider grabs his little, I'm sorry. All right, I gotta say this. I'm having trouble with this right arm. I'm recovering from, I just had rotator cuff and labrum surgery. It's a little rough reaching up there. So give me a break. All right, so Zach just takes that tool, and this is magnet. It's just a piece of laminated paper with his name on it. Magnet goes there, tool goes out. Now at the end of the day, when we're looking to put all the tools back and take inventory of them, Josh knows, hold up, this tool is out. With Zach, I don't have to go looking around the shop for it, because otherwise we got to go looking around the shop and see if there's a dongle or a scan tool in all the tools or in any of the cars. So instead, they just all have a place like that. Let's turn the screen off. Zach left that on. I knew you had the 906 Pro out, so I was like, oh, I better hold up because the Ultra's been here all day. Love the Ultra, but man, screen's huge. 906 Pro, that's the way to go. AutoRescueTools.com, that's where we get all of our Autel stuff. Same with our Top Don and our watch stuff. Think Car, all those we get from Auto Rescue Tools. Get a lot of our OE tools from them as well. So, all the tools are back, so not really super worried about that. But if they were out, I would know who had it. And that way I'm not looking for a tool if it's in a van at, out on the road. So, that's kind of what's going on here. Don't forget, we've got live classes coming up in a couple weeks. I think we only have like 1 or 2 seats left for each of the classes, but you can sign up, l1training.com/events. But if you're not signed up online, $25 a month, man. You can't beat it. I can't, oh my God. Using my right arm, I can barely hold the camera up. I'm sorry. Let me tell you something. If you haven't had rotator cuff surgery, don't. I mean, if you need the surgery, you should get it. But you know what I mean. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Guys, gals, we'll see you next time. And see you later. Bye.